Hey everybody, what's going on? How you doing today? It's so good you could join me on my channel. Hey, listen, looks like Aptera has a partner that's coming to the United States, and looks like Aptera is just slowly moving everything into place. So we're going to take a look at this, and we are going to go right now.
I'm really trying to get reason right. Let's take our time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, 'cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Looks like we have some really interesting news here about Aptera and their partners. Today we're going to be talking about Maxeon and what they're actually getting ready to do. It looks like they are moving to Albuquerque, New Mexico, or should I say setting up a gigawatt solar cell and panel manufacturing facility there in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So this is really good news. The site's going to be 160 acres, and it looked like it's going to cost around $1 billion. So that's really good news for Terra because that's who they get their solar cells from. So that's going to help them out very good as they're going to be so close to Aptera's manufacturing plant. So, like I said, it looks like they are slowly moving everything into place. And of course, Maxeon coming over to the United States, they'll probably get some money as well from the United States, setting up that gigafactory in Albuquerque, New Mexico. But it looks like it's going to be more than that because they are actually setting up jobs in Albuquerque, New Mexico. But it looks like the Maxeon plant is expected to be the first large scale PV cell and panel manufacturing in New Mexico. And its planned capacity is approximately double the size of the largest silicon solar manufacturing facility currently operating in the United States. They expect to begin construction in the first quarter of 2024. So, in the first quarter, I guess they're expecting to start manufacturing or building the manufacturing somewhere between January or March. But we'll just have to wait and see. And they expect to ramp the manufacturing up in 2025. So they expect the building to be finished by then and ramp up max production or at least start production then. So they are designing the complex to include solar cell fabrication, panel assembly, and a warehouse and administrative offices. So once completed, Maxeon estimates that the new facility will create up to 1,800 jobs, including highly skilled manufacturing and engineering jobs, and produce millions of solar panels each year for the U.S. market. The New Mexico facility expands Maxeon global manufacturing footprint, which currently includes plants in Mexico, Malaysia, and the Philippines. So, due to strong customer demand and the planned availability of sufficient infrastructure at the Mesa del Sol site, Maxeon is currently evaluating plans to upsize the scale of its United States manufacturing operation by approximately 50% to the nameplate capacity of 4.5 gigawatts. A final decision regarding the plant capacity is expected later this year. So that is awesome. Tell me what you think about that they are actually going to open up this plant in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and how they got big plans to start distributing the solar package or the solar cells, whether for houses or for vehicles. And tell me what you think, how you feel about that, because it looks like that they will be bringing that knowledge of manufacturing solar cells or solar panels to the United States. And once again, I think that's really good for Aptera because we know that they get a lot of their cells from Maxeon. That's who they partnered with. I think that's going to be really good. But once again, I want to hear from you. Tell me what your thoughts are. I know that this will be big for Aptera, and hopefully this won't be the only partner that comes to the United States. The Inflation Reduction Act has catalyzed a new chapter in America's energy transition. Our new solar cells and panel facility in New Mexico is an ambitious and concrete response to decarbonize the U.S. economy while creating permanent, highly skilled local manufacturing and engineering jobs. Mulligan added, "We expect the new plant will also serve as an anchor to attract further regional investments in the solar supply chain. As a company that started in Silicon Valley 38 years ago, we are proud to be bringing U.S. developed technology back home and to contribute to the reshoring of a domestic solar supply chain." Albuquerque is at the forefront of the movement to bring manufacturing back home because of our unique location, affordability, and skilled workforce, said Albuquerque Mayor Tim Keller. Bringing good paying jobs and clean energy will help foster new opportunities for families in New Mexico and create a more sustainable future for America. So, I mean, that's really good that they're doing that in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And, hopefully, like I said, other partners of Aptera will join in as well in the United States and possibly even other countries. We know that this is going to go very far with Aptera and all that they're doing. So if you're new here, hit the like button, ring the bell, subscribe. You'll catch all my new videos when they come out. And we are going to come together and help bring Aptera to the road as they continue to move transportation by the power of the sun. So y'all take care. We know that Aptera is going to take off. And all my subscribers out there, my patrons, thank you so much for all your help. I couldn't do this without you. You guys are the best. And I really appreciate all that you do. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for your help. All right, then. Well, y'all take care. You enjoy the rest of your day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Somewhere on the scene, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. Still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick with you. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know it's the same as bad. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm